Hey, listen, I've decided to give my portrait drawing course for beginners for free. That's right, you heard it right. But, there is a small condition. You have to prove your skill and earn this course. Right now, it is at a huge discount, and you can check the course fee in the course link in the description section. But for those of you, like the college and the school students, who think that the course fee is a little high, it is not affordable for you, or you don't want to disturb your parents for money, then you can use this opportunity. You can participate in this competition, win in this competition, and then the course is yours, right? And this course covers freehand, grid method, pencil, and charcoal realism. Remember, charcoal and freehand are very rarely taught in India. You can do your own research on the courses in India. So for this competition, what I want you to do is, this is the deal. Look for this photo in the internet, download it, and create a pencil or a charcoal portrait of this photo with this as the reference photo. Of course, you can use grid method, that is not a problem for me. After drawing the portrait, what I want you to do is, I want you to join the Facebook private group. The group link is in the description section, and post your portrait drawings there in the group. 3 best portraits of all the submissions will be chosen, and all the 3 will be getting my portrait drawing course for free, right? So these are the 3 things I will be looking for in your drawing: steadiness in the portrait, a good balance of light and shadow, resemblance with the character. Anyone in the age group between 17 and 22 can participate. Join the Facebook private group. Group link is in the description. After finishing your portrait, you will have to share your portrait in the group along with your name and your age. And very importantly, you should submit your portrait before March 10th of 2024. And the results will be announced on March 15, 2024. Right? So that's about it. Enter the competition, share your portraits, and win my portrait drawing course for beginners. All the best, guys.